For most people, driving through the city has become a me versus you mentality, when in reality, it doesn't have to be. Driving in such a way that you can help other drivers travel safely will also help you reach your destination safely. It's really about driving on the roads and working together. If you create adequate following distance from another driver, you also avoid hitting the rear of that vehicle if they stop suddenly. You've helped you and the other driver stay out of a collision. There are people we should trust while driving, but not the drivers around us. Trust yourself. Trusting that the driver next to you won't swerve could be a costly error. As a cooperative driver, drive beside the empty space instead of next to the driver beside you. Adjust your speed to allow that to happen. Now, if you have this space in traffic and the driver ahead in the next lane swerves, they can swerve into that open space and not into the side of your vehicle. Your vehicle has also been spared damage because you've been a cooperative driver and planned accordingly. If it appears that a driver approaching you from behind very quickly, move out of their way early so they can pass you safely and reduce the risk. We may not agree with their actions of speeding, but we help them do what they wanted to do, and we help ourselves to stay out of a possible collision. Attempting to force them to slow down can lead you into trying to control other people in an aggressive way. Being a cooperative driver means being open-minded enough to change your plans. Now, a good cooperative move is to slow down to let a driver change lanes in front of you. In most cases, that driver may be turning the corner up ahead. Now, even if they don't, I'm sure they may even appreciate your act of kindness enough to do the same for someone else. Now, maybe this attitude can become contagious. We need to learn to cooperate with the other road users, including cyclists and pedestrians, by anticipating their moves and adjusting speed or changing lanes to create the space they need. Cooperating with all the other road users will allow more people to arrive at their destination safely, including you.